Improving English requires regular practice, as language skills develop with consistent effort. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to reading, writing, listening, and speaking. For example, reading newspapers or articles improves vocabulary and comprehension, while writing a daily journal enhances grammar and expression. Consistency builds a habit, ensuring gradual yet steady progress. Paragraph 2. Expanding vocabulary and grammar. A rich vocabulary and strong grammar form the backbone of effective communication. Learn new words daily, focusing on their meanings, synonyms, and usage. Apps like Duolingo or dictionaries like Cambridge can help. Similarly, review grammar rules and practice them through exercises. Writing essays or short paragraphs can also refine your language structure. Paragraph 3. Engaging in active listening and speaking. Listening and speaking are crucial for fluency. Watch English movies, podcasts, or news channels to understand pronunciation, accents, and sentence flow. Practice speaking by mimicking what you hear or participating in discussions. Join language groups or practice with friends to gain confidence and improve fluency. Paragraph 4. Seeking. Feedback and setting goals. Feedback plays a vital role in improvement. Share your written or spoken work with others, like teachers or language partners, to identify areas for improvement. Set achievable goals, such as learning 10 new words or writing one essay per week.